Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Greg Michalowski from ForexLive.com. This is a Forex Quick Look. Going to take a look at the dollar versus the Swiss franc. Today's date is September 24th, 2024. Let's get started. Yeah, the storyline remains the same. Recall this box that I drew around the dollar versus Swiss price action going back to, well, back here to around August 2021st or something around that time period. We did have times where the price moved a little bit above the high of this red box right here, and times when the price moved below the low of the red box right here and here. But you can see most of the price action is within this level with resistance up here, support down here, a number of different times where the price either went up to the high or went to the low and found that support or resistance and moved in the opposite direction. More specific, in the near term, the price highs from both Friday and Monday came up to this 38.2% retracement of this move down from this high to this low and found willing sellers against that level. So that's why we saw this move to the downside yesterday. In between this red box, it's these cluster of moving averages. And you can see, there's hundreds and 200 bar moving averages up in there. Won't need to go through them, but you can see they're pretty much all converged near the 0.8478-ish type of level. And in trading yesterday, fell below that level and then came back up to it. Toward the close and into the early Asian session. In the European session, we moved higher, but then and tried to stay above those levels. But then over the last few hours, I've seen a move to the downside with the dollar selling. So selling has taken control. And where have we gone? Well, we've gone down to another level right here, which was most recent lows that we saw in the dollar versus Swiss from both, I guess, Thursday and Friday's trade. That area comes in at 0.8448. So if we go below that level, that would open the door. You start to step. When you're in trading ranges like this, you go from one level to the next level to the next level. And if it reverses and goes above other levels that have been broken, then, the bias switches the other way. Unfortunately, the price did move above these moving averages here, and the bias switched the other way. But where do we go? We went toward this swing area right here, this yellow area that I have marked. We found willing sellers, and when the price fell below those moving averages, moved lower. So this area could be a support level. Traders who want to buy the dollar versus Swiss can sit there and put a buy against this level and hope that the price moves back above the moving averages. Conversely, if you think the price is going to go lower and maybe you sold on the break of the moving averages here, what you want to see is the price get below this level and start to move toward the next level right here at 0.84315, and then maybe it opens the door for another retest of the lows right through here, now down at 0.88400 level. So that's what you try to do. Whether you're right or wrong doesn't matter. What you're trying to do is keep your risk to a small amount and hopefully catch part of that of a trend move with ultimately either breaking with momentum to the downside or breaking with momentum to the upside. That's what you're trying to look for. So that's my technical look at the dollar versus Swiss franc. My name is Greg Michalowski. Look forward to it, trading. Bye-bye now.